I just wanted to demonstrate the VirtualBox installation I have on the Slackware 13.3 system, fresh install for both. As you see, I've placed an icon for it down in the bar at the bottom. This is the Slackware system we see now. There's my browser, and as you see, here's the VirtualBox manager, and if you just have one virtual machine, all you do is hit enter a few times and it loads. As you can see, the splash screen is small and in the center of the screen. Once it loads up the rest of the way, it enlarges and seems to be a fully functioning system. Everything seems to have loaded up quite well for me. As you can see, it's still loading, but it's just about done. Yeah, it's done now. And this machine is only has 2 gigs of RAM, so I've split it pretty much down the middle. So 1 gig is used for the Slackware, and the other one for the VirtualBox OS of XP Pro. As you can see, it's not authenticated yet. The XP Pro version, we'll tend to that later, but everything seems to work just fine. Here's the control panel system. As you can see, it shows it's a 2.33 gigahertz with 928 megabytes of RAM, which is what I allocated for it. This is in fact a dual core system, but we have 32-bit operating systems on it. I'll show you the device manager here. As you can see, all the devices seem to work okay. Everything's loaded up and running as it should. Seems to function quite well with just 1 gig of RAM. I intend to put some more memory in it, but at this point it's doing pretty good as it is. So there you have it. As you can see, I have the networking just fine in both systems. See, here's the browser for my Slackware system, and it works fine too. Oops, didn't quite get the URL correct, but as you can see, networking worked properly in both. See, there's the browser for my Slackware system, and here's the one for the XP system. And as you see, they both work just fine. And so what I had to do to make the network operate properly was switch to bridged adapter rather than NAT. That caused the networking to work as it should. And so anyway, I better be careful not to change any settings with the VirtualBox running. But as you see, I got full access to both systems. Here are my applications and everything for the Slackware system, and I have the Slackware menu bar set to auto hide so that it gets out of my way when I'm running VirtualBox. So anyway, this seems to work pretty well for me. I'll close the browser, and there we have the background screen for XP, the default background screen. So as you see, it works pretty well. I just click in the upper right corner to close the virtual machine, and this, as you see, it gives you the option to power off the machine. Click OK, and it goes away, and I'm back to the only the Slackware system. So seems to work pretty well. I'm very impressed with VirtualBox. Just thought I would demonstrate for you, show you how it works. Thanks for watching. This is Terry Henderson.